With the CottonColors Stackable Fridge Egg Tray, you'll finally have a solution to the cluttered, chaotic state of your fridge. Imagine a world where your eggs are not only safe from the risk of rolling into an unfortunate demise, but also organized with elegant precision. This isn't just a container. It's a fortress for your eggs. A tiny, transparent kingdom where each one sits snugly in its own little throne. Furthermore, the included lid with a built-in timer acts as a diligent sentry, faithfully reminding you when your eggs are approaching their expiration date. Therefore, you'll never again have to play a game of "Is this egg still good?" or wonder if you should use it. So, while other containers might promise organization, this CottonColors Stackable Fridge Egg Tray delivers a truly sophisticated system for your refrigerator. Moreover, the versatility of these containers extends far beyond just holding eggs. Because of their stackable design and secure lids, they become a multifaceted tool for your kitchen's symphony of storage. For example, you can use one for keeping your berries from getting squished, whereas another can be used to neatly house small snacks for the kids. In other words, they are like modular building blocks for your fridge, allowing you to create a perfectly customized and efficient landscape. Although they are designed with eggs in mind, the possibilities are virtually endless. And they're easy to clean, too. Consequently, the CottonColors Stackable Fridge Egg Tray is a transformative piece of kitchen equipment that can adapt to your evolving needs and finally bring peace to your fridge's often tumultuous interior. Ultimately, investing in this set is like giving your refrigerator a much-needed breath of fresh air. Instead of a jumble of half-empty cartons and loose items, you'll find a picture of perfect order. Suddenly, opening your fridge won't feel like a daunting excavation. It will feel like a stroll through a well-curated gallery. Similarly, finding what you need becomes a quick, seamless process rather than a frustrating hunt. In conclusion, the CottonColors Stackable Fridge Egg Tray is not merely a product. It is a promise of harmony, efficiency, and a touch of elegance for the heart of your home. Thus, it's a small change that yields a massive, positive impact on your daily life. Pros: holds eggs securely. Stackable design saves space. Lids keep food fresh. Built-in timer is useful. Easy to see contents. Keeps fridge organized. Durable and long-lasting. Multi-purpose. Food storage. Keeps odors out. Simple to clean. Fits well in most fridges. Makes eggs easy to access. Cons: may not fit all refrigerator shelves. Timer feature might be unreliable. Lids might not seal completely. Features: holds eggs, has a lid, timer on top, stackable design, refrigerator organizer, food storage. Container: clear plastic material, easy to clean, space saving, durable. The CottonColors Egg Holder is a clear plastic container designed to help you organize your refrigerator. It features a stackable design to save space and a lid with a built-in timer, which helps you keep track of when you put the eggs in. The durable container is also easy to clean and can be used for general food storage in addition to holding eggs. The CottonColors Egg Holder is a versatile and stackable refrigerator organizer designed to securely store eggs and other food items. It features a built-in timer, making it easy to track food freshness. And its transparent design lets you see the contents at a glance. The container is durable, easy to clean, and helps keep odors contained while keeping your fridge organized. However, it's worth noting that it may not fit all refrigerator shelves, and some users have found the timer and lids to be unreliable.